What is up, everybody? My name is Jonathan, and today is going to be another Illustrator tutorial. We are going to do 3D text. How do you make 3D text in Illustrator? That's what we're going to do today, and let's get started. First, we're going to make a fun background just because it's Illustrator, and why not? So we're going to ditch this stroke. We just want a fill. We're going to do this color because we can, and that is super red. And then go to your text tool. You can also hit T on the keyboard to get you your text tool. Your text here. Oh, even better. Your 3D text. Go back to your selection tool. First, you gotta get out of that. Click, hold Alt and Shift and drag that up, and we will make it this color. Then go up here to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. Once you are here, you can change your text around however you would like to have it appear. You can spin that all the way around and have it backwards. Not sure why you would want to do that, but you could do that if you wanted to. Now I'm all kinds of lost. Hold on. I gotta find my way home. Which way is this? This way? There we go. Alright. And we can go down to more options and you can change the direction of the light. So you can change it from back here so it kind of looks like it's being lit from behind. So the front of your text would actually kind of appear to be the shadow, or you can go over here and do something more traditional. You have lots of options, lots of room to play around with stuff like this. You can add another light, so then you could do another light from the back. You could make this one a little more intense, and then make the front one less intense. So we can still get, so that way we can still light the front, but it adds that another layer of depth, so that way we have more shadows from one direction. I just like the way that looks. We'll hit OK, and you have created 3D text. If you want to go above and beyond, currently right now you can only do a solid color. How you would add, let's say you want to do a gradient on this text. You would go up here, go to Object, Expand Appearance. So now each of these is their own object. You can take your direct selection tool and click on the faces, hold Shift, click on the face of each of these letters and number. Click on the faces, and now you can go up here to gradient, and you can add a gradient to the front of the text. So we're going to bring this up, go down to our color swatches. And so let's see, I was using these ones, so we're going to add these to our swatches. Gradient, double click on this guy again, and we're going to do this darker color here. And this just doesn't look right, so hit G on your keyboard, brings your gradient up, and now you can do this. You can play with all your gradient settings however you would like to do it. So that is all for today. That's how you make 3D text in Illustrator. There's lots of options. Feel free, let me know what you make. I'm on Instagram and all those fun places. All of those are in the description below. If you found value in this video, it would greatly help me and the channel and gives me encouragement to make more videos. Smash the like button until it's blue. You can hit it as many times as you want, as long as it's blue before you go. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. God bless. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.